are the key feeding materials required on a day-to-day basis for good chicken farming. 1. Chicken feed. Chicken feed refers to the specialized food designed for feeding chickens, both for meat, broilers, and egg-laying, layers, purposes. Like starter feed, for chicks up to 6 to 8 weeks old, high in protein, 18 to 20%. Grower feed, for young chickens from 8 weeks to point of lay, slightly lower in protein, 16 to 18%. Layer feed, for laying hens, contains extra calcium, 16 to 18% protein. Broiler feed, for meat chickens, higher in protein, 20 to 22%. Price range $15 to $30 for a 50-pound bag depending on type and quality. Grains and supplements. Corn provides energy, feed sparingly as a treat. Wheat, barley, oats, whole grains or scratch grains for variety. Calcium, crushed oyster shells or limestone for layer hens' calcium needs. Price range $10 to $20 per 50-pound bag for grains and supplements. Vegetables and fruits. Leafy greens, kale, spinach, lettuce, good source of vitamins. Vegetable scraps, carrot tops, broccoli stems, cucumber ends, avoid onions and garlic. Fruits, apples, berries, melons, feed in moderation as treats. Price range varies based on availability and seasonal prices. Protein sources. Mealworms or black soldier fly larvae, high-protein treats for chickens. Soybean meal or fish meal, supplemental protein for balanced diets. Price range $10 to $50 per bag depending on the protein source and quantity. Grit and shell grit. Grit helps chickens digest food by grinding it in their gizzard. Shell grit provides additional calcium for eggshell production. Price range $5 to $15 per bag. Fresh water. Clean, fresh water should always be available to chickens. Consider automatic waterers or waterers with nipples to reduce contamination. Price range $10 to $30 for waterers depending on size and type. Storage containers. Keep feed and grains in airtight containers to prevent spoilage and pests. Metal or plastic bins with lids work well for storing feed. Price range $20 to $50 for storage containers. Feeding and watering equipment. Feeders, hanging or trough feeders to minimize waste. Waterers, gravity-fed or automatic waterers for consistent water supply. Price range $10 to $30 per feeder or waterer. Consistency in feeding, providing a balanced diet, and ensuring access to clean water are essential for healthy chickens and optimal egg production. Adjust feeding quantities based on the age, breed, and activity level of your chickens, and monitor their health regularly for any signs of nutritional deficiencies or issues.